In this video, I will walk you through the entire process of deploying your Lovable application to Netlify and connecting it to a custom domain. Starting inside the Lovable editor, your first step is to move your project files over to GitHub. Look at the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the GitHub icon or the button that says Transfer to GitHub. If this is your first time, you will need to authorize the connection between Lovable and your GitHub account. Once linked, Lovable works its magic by automatically generating a new repository filled with your standard Vite and React project files. Now that your code is safely stored on GitHub, head over to your Netlify dashboard. Click the button labeled Add New Site, and then select the option to import an existing project. Select GitHub as your provider and grant Netlify access to your repositories. Search for the name of the project Lovable just created and select it. Because Lovable uses a standard structure, Netlify will automatically detect the framework and fill in the build settings for you. You should see the build command set to npm run build and the published directory set to dist. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Deploy Site. Your application is now building and will be live in just a few moments. Once the deployment finishes, you can easily attach a custom domain through the Domain Management tab in your site settings to give your project a professional finish. Thank you for watching and happy building with your new live application.